Hello, art people! Today I'm going to do a little unboxing here for my fellow art teachers or just my art students that are into art supplies and want to watch it. But I've received this, I believe they sent it because I am subscribed or I'm a member of their online service where there's lots of like PDs that we can watch and a lot of really great art teacher content. And part of being a member, I think is why I got this box. I got one last year when I was a member too. So I'm assuming that's why I got it, or maybe they send it to lots of people, even if they're not members. So, full disclosure, I have already opened this and looked through it. So, this might not be exactly how it was when I got it, but I tried to put it back as much as I could. So, first is this community curtain lesson plan and some of the materials for the lesson plan. So we got like some pipe cleaners, some nice beads, some cardstock, and some of the rope, and it's all Blick art materials here. And then this, I'm super excited about. This pencil grip from the Pencil Grip ink. I love this so much. I'm really excited to use this and put it in the bin that I have for my exceptional learners students. I think this will be really good for them. It's really squishy. It feels really nice. It's kind of like, I don't want to say sticky because it's not sticky, but it's really grippy. And then also in this is the Quick Sticks, which we also got a sketchbook. It did not say this at first. That's just like a silly thing. But I will test this out for you. So it is like a really great paint stick. That's awesome. Quick Sticks. So it's a solid tempera paint. It dries in 90 seconds. Super neat. Also got these Nasco semi-moist watercolors. So we can try this out too. Okay. Oh, it's a little broken. I probably did that. It probably didn't come broken. Okay, we're gonna try this out. It's got some dirty paint water here. Okay. And let's put it on paper. Okay, very nice. Beautiful. All right, we got that. And let's see what else we got. We'll test everything out in the sketchbook that it came with. Okay, it also, we have some Sculpey, some Sculpey clay here and a coupon. So open this up. This is oven baked clay. Breaks off really nicely. Yeah. Lovely. Feels great. Okay. And then we also have this glue, some Blick glue. All right. And then we also have this Blick Studio pen marker, this marker. So it looks like a Copic marker. It's got both tips here. All right. And I'm really excited about the career cards. I kind of want to wait till the end for those. That's what I'm most excited about. This Angry Birds card, and if you look at it with the glasses on, it is in 3D, which I don't think I can capture that on camera. But that's what the glasses are. It like pops out. Super cool. Chroma Depth 3D glasses. So neat little card there. Okay. We have our Art of Education University graduate programs. And this is really neat. This is a design your own water bottle from Art to Remember here. So you could definitely make a copy of these for a lesson for the kids. And here is the fundraiser information here. Art to Remember flyer. Nice paper. And there's also these stickers as well that someone could color and then put on their water bottle. So that is neat from Art to Remember. Also from the Art of Ed, we have our now conference schedule. And we also have some paint, medium bodied, orange vermilion, chrome acryl. So we will try this out. This seems really nice. Oh, just came right out. Did not even need to squeeze it. All right, I've got brush here. Get my phone out of the way. All right, let's see how this paints. Oh, very nice. Okay. Beautiful. Oh yeah, that is very nice. It's hard to stop. Very satisfying. Okay. And last we have the career cards. So I'm really excited to hang these up. I'm going to hang them outside my room. I always like to kind of decorate my door area with like, you know, just art education, advocacy things. So this will be great for that. These career cards from Art of Ed. So we have the ideas for using. So you can make an anchor chart. It'd be a good early finisher activity. The kids could look through these. And you could also, there's a game idea. You have the kids pull 3 cards at random, look at those careers, what type of collaborative project, because those 3 professionals put together, sketch or draw some ideas. So those are cool. I'm just going to display them outside my room. So we have animator, and on the back, it talks about a day in the life, skills needed, and then tools and material. So we have the animator, we have architect, but yeah, I think I'm just going to put these kind of like around my door frame, like on the outside. So when people are coming to pick up their kids from art, they can see all the different art jobs there are. Art therapist, ceramicist, courtroom sketch artist, fashion designer, floral designer, game designer, graphic designer, interior designer, jewelry designer, landscape architect. I think all these pictures around them are really neat too. A metalsmith, photojournalist, visual effects artist, web designer. So I just think this is like the coolest thing ever. I'm obsessed with these cards and cannot wait to put them up. So that is what I got, and excited to try it all out in the classroom. Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.